In Google or any web browser, search for QR code generator. So here is how it looks. You can create QR code using URL, vCard, text, email, SMS, Wi-Fi, and others. For this video, I will be choosing text. So you will be typing all the information that you want to include in your QR code. For my example, I will include the name, De La Cruz 1A, and the address. As you can see on the right side, as you are typing the information, the QR code is being generated. Once you're done typing the information that you want to be included, here is your QR code, and you just have to click download to download your QR code. Your QR code is being generated. Please do not refresh or exit. On the left side, lower left, you can see that your QR code is already downloaded. So here is now the QR code that you generated. You just have to save it or rename it.